Hey everyone, so today I am going to be showing you how to use how to get the template for slide presentations and make a new folder for it to create a slide presentation. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my drive, which I'm currently on right now. And in my drive, I am going to search for the template. So I'm going to put in template, and it pops up right away. It's called template for slide presentations. So I'm going to open this template and while it is loading, on the slide presentation template, we are not going to make any changes on here. We are going to create a copy off of this. So I'm going to let it load first. I guess my Wi-Fi is a little slow. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go up here, up to the top. You'll see File, and I am going to go to Make a Copy of the entire presentation. Just click that. And then you'll see the name of the document. This just says, if you don't put a title in here, it'll just say copy of template for slide presentations. So it'll be a lot harder to find. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to go to the outline that I'm going to create from the slide presentation, or so that I can get the title. All right, and what I'm going to do is the one I'm using is from the Reclaim Your Devotions course. It's called Eliminate Devotional Distractions Once and for All. I'm just going to copy this title into here. Control V. There you go. All right, so once that is done, you want to share it with the same people. So click that one, and you don't have to copy the comments because there is no comments. And you don't want to remove all the speaker notes. So, and another thing to check is if it's in the correct folder. It should say Google Slide Presentations. That's what it usually is in. That's where most of our slide presentations are in. But like for the LiveCast presentation, we usually put those in a different place. All you do to change it is just go back, and you can choose any folder that you need to for the slide to put the slide presentation in. Or if it's not one that is in your drive, you can go back further and go to Shared with Me. And this is where you can find the Content Machine folder. Right here. That's usually the only other place that we would put the slide presentation into. But for this one, you know what? For this one, I actually have to use this one. Or Reclaim Your Devotions. Yes, this is the right one. So I'm going to select this one for this, but usually for the daily live videos, we just leave it on the slide presentation folder. And then I'm going to press OK. My Wi-Fi is a little slow, so it's loading. So just bear with me. All right, so we got that figured out. So now you can start making your presentation based off of the template slides. And remember that we do not, if you want to create this one, we always duplicate it instead of, that way we always have the template on the presentation, and then we just delete the template afterwards. That is what we do. But the last thing that you want to do, and this is one thing that is really is really key, so that we don't lose the presentation and so that we can keep track of which outlines have presentations. We want to copy the link and paste it in the in here. So Control V. There you go. So once it is in here, it's easier to know which ones have slides, which ones don't have, and they're easier to access. So that is why we put them in there. And I think that is about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for creating slide presentations for the Army of Youth. I hope you have a blessed day.